Okay, so this video is for people who want to take a component like this, an LDR, and this one's a miniature LDR, and wire it up so it can be used off-board. This is a 2-pin connector, so if you've got a project something like this is just an example. It's not, wouldn't normally take an LDR, but if you've got header pins there, then you'll be able to connect it up. So that's going to be quite convenient for a lot of student projects. You'll notice that I've got heat shrink tubing. In fact, I've got 3 lots of heat shrink tubing, which might be a little bit of overkill, but it's going to make sure that nothing's going to break. So these 2 wires, each one has got heat shrink on it, and they're going to slide over the solder joint where it's connecting between the wire and the LED leg. And then once I've done both of those wires, I've also slid over a larger diameter bit of heat shrink tubing, and that's made it a lot more secure now, so that's pretty robust. So a very modest amount of heat now. You might want to bear in mind that my heat gun is quite a low wattage unit, so it takes rather longer than it would using the one that we've got in the lab at school. So there it is. Still rather warm. As it cools down, it'll stiffen up a little bit, but it will retain enough flexibility that you'll be able to get it into wherever it is that it's got to go in your project. It looks quite neat. So long as you did the solder joints okay, it really shouldn't come apart.